Chemistry 1407 online. My name is Ikua White.
I'm Wafa Tony.
And we will be talking about the lab kit as we introduce you to the course. So today, since we're kind of doing this on the fly, we already have the lab kit here. We're going to be walking you through the supplies that come in the lab kit. So we'll start with this one here.
The chemistry safety set.
Safety is very important in chemistry.
Yes. The first thing. Then we have here modeling sets, doing the molecular bonding. And we have some wet lab kits too, like enzyme catalysis, qualitative synthesis for aspirin. Then we have casein, isolation of casein.
And these are all the items that come in your lab kit. So if you're wondering what you're paying for all of this.
Fermentation of sugar. These are the labs you're going to get through. And these are your equipment set and chemical set. And last two labs here about synthesis of biodiesel and saponification of fatty acids.
So these are pretty much all the items that come in your kit.
Yes.
When you have a kit that arrives, the kit will not have a list of all the items in there, but your syllabus has a list of all the labs you have to complete. The first 4 labs, according to the syllabus, which I'll scroll down and show you this to you real quick.
Yeah.
These labs are actually dry labs. That gives you a chance to wait for your kit and for the kit to arrive.
Yes.
So your first lab, which you technically receive credit for, is just for signing the safety sheet. You read over it and submit it on eCampus. The second one, Wafa?
It's about graphing.
Okay.
The basic steps to how to do graphing in your computer for any labs, for any lab experiments.
Okay.
So that would be officially your first lab.
Right.
Then the second one gives you, the introduction to molecules, molecular bonding. Third one is about isomers, nomenclature of molecules. Then more on to about molecules, so intermolecular forces and physical properties. Then comes the wet labs.
And that will be lab 5. So by lab 5, which is on your syllabus, that will be June 3rd.
Yeah.
Make sure you have your lab kit by this date.
Yes.
Some of you were emailing me saying, I don't have my lab kit yet. It's okay as long as you have your lab kit by June 3rd. Okay? So I wanted to give you guys a brief overview of the lab kit. We're going to do a video later on actually walking you through the orientation of the course. And you won't see our faces then, you'll hear our voices, but that's what you're going to be hearing. And later on, we'll try to do a Zoom video where it's more like a tutorial. You can call in and ask questions about chemical reactions and things like that. But besides that, welcome to Chemistry 1405, and good job on your first day.
Yes, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.